your Pizzaiolo oven pizza pan must be done before first use. It's important because the pizza pan is made from carbon steel, meaning it needs to be treated with special care. It's also recommended to regularly season it for best performance and to extend your pan's lifespan. So, let me talk you through the process. Before we do anything though, you should know that during the seasoning process, the oven will be at a high temperature and above the flash point of the oil. What this means is that due to the high temperature, the oil can flash or ignite. But if this happens, don't worry, as this is normal. Just keep the door closed and any flames will extinguish on their own. To minimize the risk of this happening, it's very important that you use the exact amount of oil prescribed by the oven's instructions. To season your pizza pan, set the style dial to 400 degrees Celsius, which will preheat your Pizzaiolo oven. Using a dry paper towel or cloth, wipe down the pizza pan. Next, add half a teaspoon of lard, vegetable oil, or flaxseed oil to a paper towel. Please make sure you don't use olive oil. Once the oil absorbs into the paper towel, rub a thin layer around the inside of the pan and the handle bracket. Now, place the pizza pan into the preheated oven onto the deck for 10 minutes. You'll notice the at-temp light will cease flashing and remain lit. After the 10 minutes is up, put on your oven mitts and remove the pan carefully and place it on a heat-proof surface. And no more than half a teaspoon of the oil you previously used, but not olive oil, to a paper towel and rub a thin layer around the outside of the pan. Now place the pan back into the oven at the preheat setting of 400 degrees Celsius for 10 more minutes. Once this process is finished, you'll need to repeat it one more time. After that, your pizza pan is ready for its first pizza.